Hello guys, welcome to Next Academy YouTube channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you how you can add Dr. S token to your Xportal wallet, how you can withdraw your Dr. S airdrop to get.io exchange, and how you can sell your Dr. S airdrop on Xportal wallet and withdraw the proceeds to exchange of your choice. But before we start, please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified on our next video. Okay guys, when you open your Xportal wallet, this dashboard will appear. If you don't have e-gold, you need to buy e-gold at least $0.1. It will serve as gas fee that you use to withdraw your token or to sell your token on their desk exchange. Okay, this e-gold here, you need to click on it, click on receive, and buy small amount of e-gold using this address here. Buy small amount of e-gold, send to this address. You can buy on Bybit, Bitget, Binance, and other exchanges and send to this address. Okay, or you can buy from your friend and send to this address. It will serve as gas fee. And for everybody that participated in the airdrop, and when you open your Xportal wallet you are not seeing your Dr. S, you need to click on this plus sign or scroll down and click on manage coins. Okay, any of the option, click on this plus sign, you search for Dr. S, which is DRX. Search for DRX, you activate it. After that you click on this cancel sign at the top right, then you go back and refresh. You can see my Dr. S here, 370k. okay, after seeing your Dr. S, the next thing you need to do is to withdraw your Dr. S to get.io or Bitmart. These are the two exchanges where Dr. S is listing for now. There might be other exchanges, but for now it's only Bitmart and get.io. okay, so you need to open your get.io and copy your Dr. S address from get.io. okay, so let me open my get.io exchange. Okay guys, this is my get.io exchange. This is the way your own will appear if you have an account on get.io. If you don't have an account, in the description of this video is the direct link to sign up on get.io exchange and receive extra bonus. If you don't have an account, use the link in the description of this video to sign up and receive an extra bonus. Okay, so when you open your get.io exchange, you click on assets. okay, it might be on overview or spot. If it is on overview, you select spot. If it is on spot, simply search. Use the search bar here, you search for DRX, which is Dr. X. You click on it. okay, I have about 6,000 Dr. S token already, which is token that I sent earlier to test the feature. You click on deposit, you click on chain deposit. okay, this is your address, your Dr. S address. You click on copy. I've copied the address now, so I'll go back to Xportal wallet. This is my Xportal. So the next thing is to click on this Dr. S here. I'll click on it. I'll click on send. Then I'll enter the amount of token that I want to send. Let's say I want to send 150,000 tokens. 150,000 tokens. I'll click on continue. Then I'll paste the address that I copied. Is the address. I'll click on next. I'm sending 150k Dr. S token to get.io address. I'll click on send and approve the transaction using my biometric or password, anyone that you are using. okay, the token has been sent to my get.io address. So later in this video we'll check if the token will enter or not. okay, for now we'll click on done. can see my balance has been reduced to 220k. Okay guys, this is for those that want to withdraw to exchange like Gate.io or Bitmart. It's still the same process with Bitmart, okay, but I don't use the Bitmart exchange. Gate.io is more advanced and more secure and more preferable, okay. And for those that want to sell on Xportal Wallet, click on Discover, or maybe Gate is not operating in your region. You click on Discover, okay. Under trending, you see two exchange, S exchange, which is the one that Dr. S normally talk about. So you click on S exchange. They will show you terms of their service. You have to accept the terms before you can proceed to the next level. Okay guys, this is our S exchange. You click on this place, you are seeing e-gold. You search for Dr. X, that is DRX. You select it, select the DRX, then at the bottom you select e-gold. It's more preferable. You can easily withdraw your e-gold to exchange of your choice instead of swapping to USDC or USDT. Swap directly to e-gold. You can be able to withdraw your e-gold to Bybit, Bitget, any exchange of your choice, Binance, or any exchange that is working in your region. Okay, so this is it. You enter the amount you want to swap, let's say 100,000. But if you want to swap everything, you click on mass, then underneath here you see swap. Okay, you click on it and swap. For now, is not activated because Dr. S is not yet listed on S exchange. You can't swap for now, but this is the way to swap when it's listed on 17th of December. Okay, let's go back and use the second exchange. Okay, another exchange you can use, decentralized exchange you can use, is this just exchange DeFi. This number one here, decentralized exchange and DeFi tool built on Multiverse S. This number one here, you click on it. If you don't want to use S exchange, you can use this exchange as well. It's another decentralized exchange on Multiverse S blockchain. Okay, now this is the interface. You click on this place, you are seeing e-gold, and select DRX, which is Dr. X. This is it. Then at the bottom you select e-gold. Okay, then you enter amount, let's say 50,000, or you can click mass. Okay, after that you can swap. Another thing you take note of is the slippage tolerance. You can change it from 0.25 to any percentage of your choice, like 0.1. okay, the lower the slippage tolerance, the more output you will get from the swap. Okay, but for now you can't swap because it's not yet available. It's not yet available. You can't swap now. Don't swap now. Don't try to swap now until it's officially listed. Okay, this is how to sell your Dr. S token on Xportal Wallet. So after swapping it, you can now send the ego to exchange of your choice. Your balance here will be updated. Instead of Dr. S, you'll be having ego. You can now send it to Bybit, Bitget, or any exchange of your choice. Okay guys, now let's check the token we sent to Gate.io exchange and know if it has delivered. Go back to Gate.io. Have to refresh and check if it has entered. Okay, you can see it has entered. We have 6,000 token before, and we sent 150,000. Now we have 156,000 Dr. S token on Gate.io exchange. Okay guys, I believe everybody can catch up with this. It's not difficult, it's not confusing. Okay, this is how to withdraw your tokens or how to trade your tokens on Xportal Wallet. Please guys, if you gain value from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share this video with your friends. Share it on all your social media platforms to help others. Thank you guys, see you in the next one.